y'all, welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. I am Brittany, artisan and owner here of Bell Valley Soaps. Today we are making the black raspberry vanilla cupcake. I'm super excited about this. I have never worked with this fragrance oil before, but I know it is a very good seller for a lot of other soap makers, so I just wanted to give it a try and see how everyone liked it and see for myself how it smelled in cold process soap. So today we are doing the heat transfer method. So I'm just mixing my lye water solution here. I already have my hard oil sitting in the bucket next to us. We're going to add this in. Today we're only making a small batch of about 16 or 17 cupcakes or so. We're using our silicone little baking cups. We'll put those out on a tray. I actually have some embeds we're going to put in this. So we have larger embeds that are going to go inside of the cake part of our soapy cupcakes here, and then we have smaller embeds that are going to be our little sprinkles for on top of the frosting. I'm hoping we can do some sort of drop swirl for the cake part of our cupcake. Of course, this will thicken fairly quickly, so whether it's a very distinct big swirl or wispy swirl, I will be okay with either or. I love using the heat transfer method because lately I just haven't had much time to actually prepare to make soap. Like the day before I'm ready to make soap. So I've been using this little technique or this method for a while now. At first I was a little iffy about it just because of how quickly your batter can thicken, but it's all about the fragrance oil and then also how much you stick blend. You can't always achieve every look that you want using the heat transfer method, but a lot of them you can. So I try to account for that with our in our designing process here. So the hard oils are basically melted down, so I'm going to go ahead and add the liquid oils, which are olive oil and castor oil. And we'll be right back. Alright, so we're back to measure out our fragrance oil, and as I said, we're using the black raspberry vanilla. This is from Nature's Garden. And out of the bottle, it smells very, very sweet. But I think it will tone down for us. Okay, our next step is to stick blend our batter, and then we will portion out for our colors. Okay, so we have just barely reached emulsion. I'm going to pour off into our Queen's Purple mica as well as our Merlot Sparkle mica. And then in our bigger bucket, our base color is going to be white. So we're using some titanium dioxide. Hey y'all, we're back a couple of days later to unmold our black raspberry vanilla cupcakes. I just wanted to hop on and show you guys these cute little pencils I've made out of soap. I think they're so cute. Ugh. I made, the first batch I made, one of my wholesale accounts, was all over that, so I had to make another batch, and I'm honestly glad that I get to keep the second batch for you guys, unless another wholesale account grabs these. These are just extremely time consuming to make, so these will be released in August. You guys are seeing this video way after August, but these pencils are going to be hopefully released in August, and maybe you guys can get your hands on these awesome little soaps. They're the regular dimension of my tall and skinny bars, except the corners are cut, so they are a little bit smaller, so they will be priced a little differently since the weight is less than a regular size bar. But I hope you guys like these as much as I do. They are gorgeous. I love them. I think they are perfect for your brand new student about to go back to school, or your favorite teacher, or anything like that. I think these are just super cute. Anyways, so I caught a whiff of these and they smell so good. I can see now why black raspberry vanilla soaps are a big hit with other soapers. So this might be a scent that I incorporate into a regular soap bar and keep on hand. I don't know. We'll see. I might be foreshadowing a little bit here. But I'm hoping to see really awesome swirls inside the cupcakes. Let's see. Oops. Not coming out that way, so I'm just going to peel it back instead. Oh, cute. Look at the swirling. Oh, that is adorable. Okay. So, it's been a couple of days, but for some reason that one there was still sticky. Maybe the other ones won't be. We'll see. Oh, cute. These are so cute. Okay, so I just want to throw a reminder out there for y'all that donut and cupcake sales in the month of September. A portion of the sales will go to Cancer Freeze, which is local to me. I think they're like Paxton, Floral area. They're near and dear, very dear to my heart. So I would like to just do something for them. I know last year we made like a little basket and donated it for the auction. I didn't have that much of a much time to prepare the basket, so it wasn't as grand as I would have liked for it to be. So I don't know if we'll do another basket. If we do, it's going to be humongous. Like, it's going to be a giant basket if we do for the auction. But I know for sure I would like to do this for them. My dad always enters the car show. Last year he put his truck in, and I can't remember if it was first or second place, but it seems like pretty much every year he enters the car show he places. So Anyways, we love the Cancer Freeze family, and so I'm going to quit rambling, but just know that this is very important to me, and I would love your support. I would love your help being able to do something like this for them. Alright, so we're just going to speed through these, and I will attach some pictures of the finished cupcakes at the end of the video, so stay tuned.